All right, welcome back to the Halftime Report. We are answering your questions now. First up, we have a question for Joseph from Brian in Las Vegas, as we said before we went to break. Time to buy 3M?
Brian, thank you for your question. I don't think there's enough reward in this stock versus what the risk is going to be. It's 190. The stock is probably around 200 in terms of where it's probably fairly valued. Bottomed out at 181. This is a classic example of a stock that has been in that rolling bear market that Mike Wilson talks about since January when it was 259. Obviously, the troubles with this, higher input costs and tariffs, and you're not seeing enough organic growth. And your favorite thing, Scott, free cash flow generation. That's actually contracting in 2018. You don't like that.
No, none of us like that. Sounds terrible.
I hate it.
Yeah. All right.
Well said.
Even his good jokes are bad. All right, Weiss, Seagate, Chris, is it time to buy STX?
So I've got to say thank you for your question, or I look like a jerk now since Joe said it. So in terms of Seagate, I don't think so. This stock always looks cheap. If you take a look at Western Digital's quarter, how Western Digital has been performing, that it's a commodity company, even though the number of commodity players has shrunk, similar to Micron with a different part of tech, it just doesn't mean that it's a value. So I wouldn't buy it here.
All right, we got a question for you, Pete.
Yep.
And it's on Celgene from a Joe, our friend Joe in New Jersey. Thank you for the question. Beat and raise the outlook, did Celge? What do you do? What do you think of it?
Well, I tell you what, with the free cash flow that they've got and the fact that they're buying it back.
Yeah, to mention that.
Well, it went so well for you.
But
anyway, so it trades at a great valuation.
Is it quality?
Yes,
Joe's
because here's
quality.
why. Because they have, and it's very quality.
Have you seen dispersion?
I've seen a little bit of dispersion. But anyway, on top of all those various things.
What's a data say?
And a little bit of data goes into it. No, but their lead drug continues to have growth. Their earnings have growth. And they've got 5 major drugs in the pipeline. Giddy up.